More specifically, this information can be used to demonstrate a connection between training and business outcomes. Think levels 4 and 5 from the Kirkpatrick-Phillips model. It can help us identify performance gaps and training needs, and better understand how people in our organization learn. Are the trainees who watched the online lectures performing better on the knowledge tests as we would expect, for example? Big data can also help us choose the best training methods and design elements. Through social network analysis, we can use this data to identify the people whose support is crucial to training. This can include managers, leaders, experts, but it can also include people who are well connected or those who serve as communication hubs. Big data can be used to make evidence-based recommendations that are more likely to work than those based on our subjective analysis. Finally, big data is extremely valuable to training evaluation. It can help us identify the direct and indirect costs and benefits of training, and then determine how training effectiveness and ROI can be improved.